I tried the KEYCHRON K6 Mechanical Keyboard and this is my experience. Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Cartovar, a web designer and developer in San Antonio, Texas, and I tried the mechanical keyboard KEYCHRON K6, which is a compact keyboard of only 84 keys. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. It can be used in wireless and wire mode and connect with 3 different devices. The 4000 mAh battery allows it to function for 4 days with the lights off. The box contains the manual keyboard cable for charging and to use in wire mode, and extra keys to switch depending if you're using it in Mac or Windows. What I like about this keyboard is it feels well made. It doesn't feel cheap. The materials are of very good quality. It's evident the attention to detail the manufacturer put into this product. If you're a fan of lights, this keyboard will be a good addition to your decoration. It looks good, and the lights provide a nice touch. With 15 different light modes, you'll always have a new way to show off. Just by pressing the key at the corner, you can change the light mode. To pair the keyboard with your device, just move the switch from off or cable to Bluetooth, and then pressing function 1 and Q for 4 seconds. Go to your Bluetooth settings and select the keyboard to connect. To connect to the second and third devices, just repeat the process. When your keyboard is paired with 3 devices, you can switch between them very easily. Just press the function 1 key and the key corresponding to your device. If you like the classic typing mechanical sound of old school keyboards, you'll enjoy using this keyboard, or any mechanical keyboard whatsoever. Let me show you how it sounds. The keys are sensitive. Even if the sound is loud, there's almost no effort to use it. After 1 week of using the KEYCHRON K6 mechanical keyboard, these are my notes. It was hard for me, being a first-timer, using this type of keyboard, to get used to it. My fingers hurt for a little bit. I'm not sure if it's just me or it's a normal thing for first-time users. However, the pain disappeared after a couple of days. After I got used to it, I really enjoyed it. I noticed an improvement on typing speed by around 20%. You should also consider getting a hand pull resting base because these keyboards are higher than others. It will help you reduce or eliminate tiredness and other issues. The only downside was me being a fan of the shortcuts on Mac. When using this keyboard, now I have to use the function key in addition to the other keys to access the shortcuts. For things I'm used to only using 1 key, now I have to use 2. I guess it's a matter of getting used to it. In conclusion, the mechanical keyboard KEYCHRON K6 is a good investment, a great value at a great price. I'm very satisfied. I'm more motivated to type more, to code more, and to write more articles. I like how it looks, how it sounds, and how it feels. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.